everyone, we're here today with this mini digital tap timer by Rainpoint. It's their smart irrigation expert. This is a timer for your tap for your faucet. If you happen to have a sprinkler attached to the end of it, or hose, or anything like that, this will go ahead and set a timer for you, so it will time things out for you on a specific time each day. It's really nice. It's got a really big LED screen. It does need 2 AAA batteries, which it does not come with, so you will need to purchase those. And then it's got different buttons. Here's your on button, and this is where you can set your timer, and you can make it plus or minus. You're going to select every 12 hours. You can go from 1 to 237 minutes. You can put it for, like I said, from 1 to 237 minutes to run for, or you could set a clock on. You set the clock time on it so that when you adjust it for the time, it can go. Like I said, it's got a really big LED screen, so it's really easy to see, and it is super easy to go ahead and plug in. You're just going to go ahead and screw it onto the base of your hose. There we go. Another thing that's really nice is if on the off chance your timer is set and it does happen to rain, it will skip it for 12 hours. So we have our water turned on. As you can see, there's nothing leaking. And then as soon as the timer goes for it to start, it'll just start.